What are bonds? Bond is a type of loan made by an investor to a borrower, typically a company or government. The investor lends money to the borrower in exchange for a promise of fixed interest payments, usually at regular intervals, until the bond matures and the original loan amount is repaid. When an entity issues bonds, it is essentially borrowing money from investors. In return, the issuer promises to pay periodic interest, coupon payments, to the bondholder and return the principal amount, face value, at maturity. Bonds provide a means for entities to raise capital for various purposes, such as funding projects, infrastructure development, or meeting financial obligations. Investors, in turn, purchase bonds as a form of fixed income investment, seeking regular interest payments and the return of principal at maturity. Now let's look at terminologies used in bonds. Face value, par value. This is the nominal or principal amount of the bond that the issuer promises to repay at maturity. It is the amount on which the periodic interest payments, coupon payments, are based. Coupon rate. The coupon rate is the fixed or variable interest rate that the issuer pays to the bondholder annually or semi-annually. It is expressed as a percentage of the face value. Maturity date. This is the date on which the issuer repays the face value of the bond to the bondholder. It signifies the end of the bond's term. Yield to maturity, YTM. YTM is the total return anticipated on a bond if it is held until it matures. It takes into account the bond's current market price, par value, coupon interest rate, and the number of years remaining until maturity. Now let's look at some of the different types of bond. Corporate bonds, issued by companies to raise capital. Government bonds, issued by governments to fund their activities. Municipal bonds, issued by municipalities to fund infrastructure projects. Treasury bonds, issued by the U.S. Treasury Department. Zero-coupon bonds, issued at a discount to their face value and do not pay any interest until they mature. Reasons why companies and governments issue bonds. Raise capital for projects. Companies can use bond proceeds to fund expansion, acquire other businesses, or invest in new technology. Governments can use bond proceeds to fund infrastructure projects, social programs, or budget deficits. Diversify funding sources. Bonds can be a good way for issuers to diversify their funding sources and reduce their reliance on traditional bank loans. Lock in interest rates. Bond issuers can lock in a fixed interest rate for a set period of time, which can be beneficial if interest rates are expected to rise in the future. Now let's look why one should invest in bonds. Generate income. Bonds provide regular interest payments, offering a steady stream of income to investors. Preserve capital. Compared to stocks, bonds tend to be less volatile, making them an attractive option for risk-averse investors seeking capital preservation. Diversify portfolios. Adding bonds to an investment portfolio can help reduce overall risk and improve risk-adjusted returns. Risk associated with bonds are default risk. The issuer may not be able to repay the loan, leading to a loss of principal for investors. Interest rate risk. Bond prices decline when interest rates rise, resulting in potential losses for investors who sell their bonds before maturity. Liquidity risk. Some bonds may be less liquid than others, making it difficult to sell them quickly at a desired. For more such content, do subscribe to our channel, Finance with YT. Let us know in comment which financial term you want us to cover. Next, do like, comment, and share.